Let me show you how you can create this wonderful invoice tracker in Excel. Step 1. On the top of your worksheet, we will insert the Today function. This function will give us back today's date and update automatically whenever you open your workbook. Step 2. In here, we use the if function to subtract the invoice due date with today's date so that we know how many days we have left to pay the invoice. And here we insert none. You will see afterwards why. Step 3. We select our range, go to conditional formatting, new rule. Here we select icon sets, then we change both boxes to number, and in here we insert a 5, since we want a green traffic light whenever we have more than or equal to 5 days to pay our invoice. Down here we insert a 3, and then we also select show icon only, just like that, and click on OK. And that was already it. Now take a look. Whenever we have more than 5 days to pay our invoice, we have a green traffic light. Whenever the due date is approaching, and we have less than 5 days but more or equal to 3, then we get a yellow light. And when we are very close to the due date, those less than 3 days, we have a red light. How nice is that? Oh, and when the due date is passed, then you will see the text none in the cell. Don't forget to share this post and follow us for daily Excel tips and tricks.